are very welcome back for another video, and happy December! How exciting! It's so magical, and I thought what better way to start off December, a month of magic, than to have a magical, lovely starburst metallic painting to match the magical vibe. It is a beautiful pink base, and I'm doing two puddles. And I'm popping in the Prussian blue in two different puddles. And then next I'm following it up with the lilac. Then gold. Then we have a lovely bright blue. Some green on top as well. White in one puddle. And then the Prussian blue in another puddle. And then I'm popping in silver on top. And then I'm running rings of that Prussian blue around both the puddles. Adding in a bit more metallic. And popping on some of the pink. So we have more paint there for when we blow it out, so it just flows. And for the fun bit, hairdryer time, and we're just blowing it in on top of itself first and then out. And oh wow, look at the cells. Instantly they just pop up, like beautiful, instantly. It looks like a bit of a mess right now, but give it time. We're going to mess around with it and do a lovely fun experimentation. I'm just using my breath to very delicately move the pattern that we blew out with the hairdryer out into the pink base. Give it a bit more balance and a bit more shape throughout the whole painting rather than us having it just stuck. And this is what we have. Now to add in some details, you can probably guess. Yes, I am taking copper, gold and silver highlights here, and I'm just running ribbons of it using the palette knife in different sections of the painting. And you'll see when we have the canvas here at the end once it's dried, the metallics have created such a lovely contrast. It's actually really, really beautiful. So although it looks a bit messy now, see the vision. It's really beautiful. And this process actually takes quite a while, but it's a very therapeutic one. If you end up trying this kind of ribbon effect yourself, going back in, adding in the details, you'll notice like it's just such a flow state process. It's really rather lovely. And so that's just what I'm doing here. So far, it's just copper and gold. And now here I am coming in with some silver details as well. All about the metallics. If in doubt, add a bit of sparkle. Yeah, so I just thought this painting was very fitting to have as we come into the month of magic. And where I'm placing the silver versus the gold and the copper is more so just about balance. So you see there we have a lot of the gold in the middle that we already blew out. So I'm just kind of balancing the other metallics off of that. And this is it. As I'm finishing up here. Ta-da! It's beautiful. I really, really like it. And you see the pink there has actually come up a whole lot darker than it was there when we were actually doing the painting. So thank you very much for watching. And happy December. Bye guys.